to. Okay. Let these guys out. You coming? We're gonna go take a walk. I'm not putting their things on because we're going out to this H1G. Oh, look, there's toilet paper as you just come in here. So someone went to the bathroom right here. Look, there's sassafras right here. Look at them little leaves right here. That little plant there. Here's another little one. Shh, don't tell the government. Come on, guys. Hey, Rocky, listen to me. Come. Come on. Jerk. Take a walk back here and see what they did. Whoever, they were camping here over the weekend. What'd they leave behind? Oh, look at this. Here's a large something. We'll pick that up on the way out. Oh, better yet, we can put it in the fire pit. Put that in the fire pit. I ain't picking up no toilet paper. Some of them use to wipe their butt or their VJJ. Oh yeah, so I went out to check the park and the gift interact, and well, there's some equestrian people. Oh, look at that! Somebody knocked over those mushrooms. I know where she's going. Yep, she'll do her business in the woods. Oh, there's some mushrooms. She'll be adding to it. So I checked the gifting rock though, because they were in the H4, the HE4 one, the one where it's like double the room. They had two trailers, two trucks, and they were at the park. We couldn't get out at the park because they had their dogs out. But this time, these people had actual Labradors. No ankle biters. Listen to that. It's really odd. Come up here. There's no sounds, no animals. It's kind of weird. It's really weird. It just. Then I see a lot more like trees pushed over, young trees pushed over. Every time I come out here, it's just weird. Oh, there you go. There's firewood right there. That big long, right there. Some firewood. Man, spider web. Oh, there's a demon. Did you hear that demon? And then it's too, what gets me is you don't hear any of that, but then you'll start, when you're out here walking a while, you'll hear voices in the distance. That is a huge tree right there. Right down there, there is a huge tree. When I mean huge, probably 400 or 500 years old. Well, maybe not that old, maybe about 200. Okay, it'll probably 200. We would cut it and count the rings. Look at all these mushrooms in here. Look at them, in with the ferns. So, it looks like they left it better than they did before. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Oh, looks like toilet paper. Oh, some sort of napkin. Why do they sit over here? Wow, look down there in the woods, down there. Against that tree, there's toilet paper. So I know what happened right there. Oh, they left their aluminum cans. Left their aluminum. That looks like burnt plastic with some Gatorade in it. Got some mushrooms over on this side. Oh, there's... they must have made this side their bathroom, because toilet paper up against that tree, toilet paper there. I know the other time it was down over there. I don't know why they can't, why the Forestry Service can't, like, okay, designate a, or better yet, right up at the road. Put an outhouse. Maybe a 5-gallon bucket when it gets full. Man, we got so much technology nowadays. I mean, make it out of wood. They got enough wood around here to make it out of wood. Wood or stone, you know. Wood or stone, and then maybe a 5-gallon bucket, or maybe something a little bit bigger. But don't actually have a plastic outhouse out in the, make it, you know, kind of blend in, you know. And then, I don't know, they gotta have, what? If somebody's renting this place, you're getting $15, $20 a night. I think you should be able to pay for something like that. Oh, I hear people. Crap. Wonder if that's the horses. Shoot. Over there. I hear. Over in this area. Probably them on horseback. You coming? Rocky, don't go too far. Stay here. Alright, these two are going to get on my nerves real quick. Especially with them out here on their horses. I don't know how fast they can go, as probably as fast as they want, but I don't need a dog fight. Alright, let's get back to the truck, and then we'll call it for the night. But yeah, anyway, the gifting rock, there was still, the watermelon was still there. So, kind of hoping it's not like one of those Walmart watermelons that you don't touch. Because when I cut it open, it had seeds. It had some seeds in it. So, hopefully. Alright, well, it's warm out. It's like 84 degrees. Well, yeah. Anyway, the neighbor's house, went over, there's an orange paper on the neighbor's house, and it's for share sale. For back taxes for $3,000, but then it's also got the guy wants 165 for both properties. So I don't know how that works out. One property is taxes, but the property they're in, look at here. We'll get in the truck soon. Precious is lagging behind. Come to find out, don't buy your vehicle at Duncan Ford. This vehicle here was in an accident, and they put all brand new stuff on it, made it look brand new, and sell it as used. Where are you two? Huh? You better go over here and listen to me. Oh, there's some more sassafras. Boy, this section here has a lot of sassafras. I didn't even spray you with permethrin, so I gotta check you for ticks then. Well, matter of fact, there's one right behind the tree there. There is a sassafras tree. There's there's the little one. Where are you going, Missy? Now I'll lock you in for days on end. Huh. Well, yeah, right here. Here's one. Here's a little baby one. I gotta keep. There's one back there. Huh. Oh, this is maybe actual road because there's a larger one there. I see the mittens. I mean, you see the mittens in the leaves, so there's a grove here, a little grove. I gotta remember this spot, because when it comes to wintertime or fall, when the sap starts going back into the roots, I need to get some so I can clean out my kidneys. Yep. And I rather believe more than words that has been passed down from generation to generation than some study the government did to get their own what they wanted the findings to be. So, oh, Rocky. So, all right, we're gonna go. Had to update you on the gifting rock, and yeah. So we'll see you in the next one, and yeah, I gotta start back on the old MRE. As you can see here, I have a few in my box in my truck. I can get some crackers out for that beef stew. Rear door. No? Yep. Okay, I'm ready to come out on that one. Alright. Yeah, I would like to finish the summer out by going to Del Grosso's amusement park. And, well, Del Grosso's amusement and water park. I'd like to go there one day. I have to look on the schedule, because since school started, I don't know if they have that many folks for during the week. I think it would be better to go during the week, like now, because the kids would be in school. So I'll have to look into that, and I will never go to, I don't think I'll ever go to Hershey Park again. It's like almost $60 a ticket just for one day, and the food's outrageous. Food's completely outrageous. I've got spider webs on my back. So, yeah. Alright, well, you know what to do. I'm tired. You know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one.